Hi, my name is Developer Simple, and today we are going to be learning how to make a custom camera script. Now this custom camera script is we're going to have basically a camera here, and you'll be be watching from here, and then your character will be just walking around when you're playing the game. So let's learn how to make it. Simply, we're going to first add a part. Now this part, we're going to edit the properties. Let's change the size to 111. Alright. And then make sure this property is anchored and that can collide is off and can touch is off. Now that's optional if you want to. You can keep can collide on if you want. We're going to name this part camera part. We're going to insert a starter player script. We're going to insert a local script into starter player script. Now in this script, you are going to do local player equals game get service players dot local player. Basically what we are doing here is referencing, we're making a variable named player, and we're getting the service players right here. And then we're selecting local player, which is our player when we join in. We are going to do character. Now character is the player's character in the workspace. It's like the model of your avatar and stuff. So we're going to do player.character, and you're going to say or player.character added weight. Now we're doing this or this because if it fails to get the player's character, we're going to do the character added event and then wait. We are now going to reference camera, and that's basically workspace.camera. Now this is pretty simple. We're going to do repeat wait, and we're going to do this is going to be a repeat statement with the wait symbol here. So we're going to do camera.camera type. So the camera type we're doing is enum camera type. That's scriptable. And scriptable is basically like custom. Yeah, there. Now we're going to do until camera type equals enum camera type scriptable. So basically we're going to do a repeat statement, and it's going to keep on setting the camera type to scriptable until it has successfully been set, until its camera type is going to be successfully set to scriptable. Now we're going to do camera.cframe. We're getting the C frame of the camera, like around it, and we're going to do workspace.cam part. You don't do cam part, you're going to do camera part camera that C frame. So basically we're gonna set the C frame, the camera C frame here, to workspace.camera.C frame. So it's pretty simple. And I think we did it. So we're gonna play the game. You can set this to invisible if you want, and let's play the game. And as you can see, it works. We can see our player is moving around happily as it can be. And then that's going to be it for our tutorial. I hope you enjoy following this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.